Hello and welcome to this video on the benefits of cardiovascular exercise for heart health. We all know that exercise is important for a healthy lifestyle, but did you know that cardiovascular exercise specifically is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart? In this video, we will discuss the benefits of cardiovascular exercise for heart health, as well as some tips for getting started. Firstly, what is cardiovascular exercise? It is any activity that raises your heart rate and increases your breathing rate for a sustained period of time. Some examples include jogging, cycling, swimming, and dancing. So, how does cardiovascular exercise benefit your heart health? 1. Strengthens the heart muscle. Regular cardiovascular exercise strengthens the heart muscle, which in turn makes it easier for the heart to pump blood throughout the body. This can lower your risk of heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Cardiovascular exercise can help lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. It does this by improving blood flow and reducing the workload on the heart. 3. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease, and cardiovascular exercise has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Helps with weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for heart health, and cardiovascular exercise can help with weight loss or weight management. So, now that we know the benefits of cardiovascular exercise for heart health, how can we get started? 1. Start slow. If you are new to exercise or haven't exercised in a while, start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. 2. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. The American Heart Association recommends at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardiovascular exercise 5 days a week. 3. Mix it up. Try different types of cardiovascular exercise to keep things interesting and challenge your body in different ways. 4. Listen to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort during exercise, stop and rest. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. At the end of this video, cardiovascular exercise is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle and has numerous benefits for heart health. By incorporating regular cardiovascular exercise into your routine and following some simple tips, you can help lower your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health and well-being.